Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to create a new Slack account and Workspace. So basically you just need to go to the Slack sign in website right here, or just go to slack.com and just need to type in any email that you're not using. So I'm gonna sign in with my Google, so wait for a minute. So let's say that you're logged in with your new account, and if you want to just create a new workspace, so you're gonna see there's a button right here, so just need to click on that. And as you can see, you could check the tick box right here if you want to have an email. You could want to have email about their new updates or something. So just click on create a new workspace. You can also see all of the workspaces you have right there. But with this, as you can see, there's the name of your company or team. So let's say I want this one, videos. So click on next. So you could edit the photo right there. So let's say you change it right here. So it should be videos. And I'm just gonna change my name. So let's say Chevy KT, something like that. Just click on next. And you could also add someone, but if you don't want, you just skip this tab. And what's our team working on right now? Let's say video editing, something like that. And click on next. And you could have the free one, or you could upgrade to pro. So I'm just gonna go with the free. Start with free. So as you can see, it's just loading something. And here I refreshed it, and it's now all good. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.